Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mutiara Zaristikoma, and today I would like to share with you an overview and strategies for the writing section of the TOEFL test. Overview atau gambaran, the writing section tests your ability to write essays in English similar to those that you would write in college course. Jadi kayak menulis ini kayak biasa bahasa Inggris yang biasa kalian pelajari di kuliah. Jadi ada dua tipe essays, ada the integrated essays and the independent essay. Nah, the integrated essay itu you will read an academic passage and then you will listen to a lecture on the same topic. The reading passage disappear while you are listening to the lecture, but the passage will return to the screen for reference when you begin to write your essays. Typically, a good essay for integrated topic will require that you write 150 until 225 words. Jadi menulis integrated essay yang baik bisa mencapai 150 sampai 225 kata. Kemudian ada the independent essays, you will read question on the screen. Jadi kalian bisa membaca pertanyaan yang ada di layar. It usually asks for your opinion about a familiar topic. Jadi biasanya dia menanyakan opini tentang topik yang kita ketahui. Typically, a good essay for the independent topic will require that you write 300 until 350 words. And then there is synthesis of opposing ideas. In this interrogated essays question, you will be asked to read a short passage from a textbook and then listen to part of a short lecture about the same topic. After you read, setelah kamu baca pertanyaan itu, kamu bisa menulis esai yang memasuki informasi antara keduanya, antara reading and the lecture. You will have 20 minutes to plan, merencanakan, write, nulis, and revise your essays. Revisi, memperbaiki. Typically, a good response will require that you write 150 until 225 words. Second, synthesis of supporting ideas in the interrogated essay question, you will be asked to read a short passage from a textbook and then listen to part of a short lecture about the same topic. The ideas in the textbook and the lecture will agree. After you read the question, you will write an essay that includes information from both the reading and the lecture. You have 20 minutes to plan, write, and revise your essay. And third, there is argument. In this independent essay question, you will be asked to argue, debat antara dua sisi isu, lalu kita meletakkan di satu sisi. You will have 13 minutes to plan, write, and revise your essay. Typically, a good response will require that you write a minimum of 300 words. Writing strategies of the integrated essays. Number 1 is report. When you are writing about content, it is important not to offer your opinion. Jadi ada hal penting yang tidak bisa menggugat tentang opinimu. To do this, you must distinguish between content and opinion. And then two important things is state the facts and ideas. and then avoid expressing your opinion. And number 2, there is identify sources. Is in the question for the integrated essay, you will be directed to the primary source, jadi sumber utama. For example, the question might ask you to summarize content from the reading or to summarize the main points in the lecture. Then you will be asked to support or contrast the information in the primary source with the information in the secondary source. So important is begin with the primary source and include both sources. And number 3 is make connection. When the secondary source agree with the primary source, use supporting transition. But like moreover, furthermore, in addition, or etc. When the secondary source does not agree with the primary source, use opposing transition, like in contrast. On the other hand, important is establish the relationship between source and choose appropriate transition. Number 4 is include a variety of structures. There is varied sentence structures and combined sentence. And number 5 is edit your writing. If you use all of your time to write, you won't have enough time to edit your writing. Students who take the time to read what they have written will find some of their own mistakes and can correct them before submitting the final essays. Important thing is rewrite your essay and edit with the checklist. There is writing strategies of the independent essays. Number 1 is respond the topic. It is very important to read the question carefully and analyze the topic. Jadi perlu banget nih baca pertanyaannya dengan hati-hati dan menganalisis topiknya. If you write on a topic other than the one that you have been assigned, your essay will not be scored. Analyze the topic and write on the assigned topic. Number 2 is be direct atau langsung. When you are asked for your opinion, it is appropriate to begin with a direct statement. Important things is begin with an introductory phrase or clause and to make a direct statement of opinion. And number 3 is conclude the opposing view. Sometimes you will be offered to choice. When stating a preference, it is polite to concede that the opposing view has merit. The following words and phrases express concession, like although, even though, despite, and in spite of. Important things is begin with a concession clause and make a direct statement of opinion. And number 4 is use an outline sentence. Is some books call the second sentence in a essay the topic sentence, the controlling sentence, and the thesis statement or the organizing sentence. The purpose of this sentence is to outline the essays for the reader. Important is outline the essay for the reader, write an outline sentence. Number 5 is write a strong conclusion. Buatlah kesimpulan yang kuat. In TOEFL essays, it is not appropriate to apologize for not having written enough, for not having enough time, or for not using good English skill. An apology will cause you to lose points. In addition, a good conclusion does not add new information. It does not introduce a new idea. A strong conclusion is more like a summary of the ideas in one last sentence. Important things is begin with a conclusion clause and make a direct statement of opinion. Nah, kita ke terakhir yaitu applying the academic skills to the TOEFL. Jadi gimana sih menerapkan skills ini ya? Yang pertama, yang pastinya taking notes. Kita membuat notes catatan gitu guys. And kedua ada preparing, kita memperbarui kata. Lalu yang ketiga summarizing, mencari, and yang keempat ada synthesizing. So whatever you're writing the integrated or independent essays, always plan carefully, write clearly, and review your work. Dengan latihan yang konsisten dan strategi yang tepat, insya Allah hasil TOEFL kita bisa maksimal. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.